Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we will be walking through how to access Builderall affiliate resources. First, if you're not already a member of our Facebook community, start by clicking right here and join our 3 Facebook groups. Next, I want to take you to our very own Builderall Assistant to show you how you can benefit from using the tool as an affiliate. This tool is helpful for both users of Builderall tools and affiliates. Now in this example, we're going to select options that relate to affiliates so that we can be directed to helpful affiliate resources. So here you have, what is your main goal with Builderall? Let's go ahead and select Become a Builderall Affiliate. Okay, so you want to work as an affiliate on the Builderall business. In which plan are you subscribed to right now? Now here you can go through and select different options that best suit your needs, depending on what you're looking for. For this example, I'm going to select I am a free affiliate. Okay, so you have the free affiliate plan. Watch the video to start your business now. So here you have additional options. Now at the same time, you can also select to go back to the previous menu and select another option that is more suitable for you. So let's go ahead and select I have the premium plan. So again, it congratulates you. You're a premium affiliate. We have created an incredible training to help you start right now. And if you click here, it's going to launch a video. So again, you have 2 options. One is to go back to the previous menu and then go back to the actual main menu and start over. So please remember to come back and use this helpful tool as it can guide you to additional resources in the future. Okay, so let me share another great resource. Don't forget to go to youtube.com and search the word Builderall USA and subscribe. This is the official Builderall channel that will bring you all of the latest and greatest videos. As you can see, here are some that have just been uploaded. Now here's another fantastic resource brought to you by the Builderall team, working really hard to keep you in the loop with both software updates and affiliate updates. Now the affiliate updates are released every Wednesday and software updates are released every Friday. Tons of stuff to get really excited about week after week. Now, let's not forget to stay up to date with all of the events happening in and around Builderall. Okay, so here are your live events. Now, you're definitely not going to want to miss the live event happening every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, that's our Builderall affiliate meeting hosted by our very own CEO, Eric Salgado. He's always bringing to the table some really great stuff. I mean, he never disappoints, so stay tuned. Now, Tuesdays, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to want to be a part of this panel. You're going to want to click in here for the Zoom meeting link so that you too can take part in a live training hosted by Shelly Turner. Now, this information is super helpful. And again, you can go to the YouTube channel, search Builderall USA, subscribe, because if you miss the live event, then you won't want to miss the replay. So you want some additional resources? Well, let's hop over to the affiliates link and show you some more. Now here's your affiliate dashboard. Let's hop over to this left column and select Branding Kit. The Branding Kit is going to open up so much value that you're definitely going to want to take advantage of. Now here, if you scroll down, you're going to see an array of different resources that you can start putting into play today. In addition to this, you're going to want to click on the resource board right here. This is our Trello board where we have updated and the latest information. Okay, so here on one single Trello board is so much different pieces of information that you can grab and use for your own business. Now here you have funnel graphics, right? So if you take a look at some of these, you just have to click on them, download them, and make them your own. Here you have more stuff for social media. You have email swipes that are free for you to go in and take advantage of, as well as you can see and take a look at some of the automatic emails that are being sent out on behalf of Builderall. And here you have videos that you can take a look at. You have presentations that you can download and make your own. There is so much information here Very valuable. I definitely would highly recommend that you bookmark this page and keep it somewhere close. And be sure you frequent this page for updated information. Now back inside your branding kit, you have logos that you can download. You have the colors. You also have some really cool fonts, additional images. Now let me continue going down here so that I can show you. You can also grab hold of this Builderall business card template. Very helpful, useful resources that you got to make sure you take advantage of. In this video, we walk through some helpful resources that can be beneficial as a Builderall affiliate. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.